Learn with Rose.
Welcome back to my channel. I am Rose Chabra, and welcome to Learn with Rose. This is day 8 of our series, Speak English with Rose. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to talk about your daily routine in English. This is one of the most useful topics because you can use it every single day. Let's begin. When we talk about daily routine, we talk about things we do every day. Listen and repeat. I wake up in the morning. I get up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a bath. Now continue. I get ready. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I go to work. Now let's talk about the day. I attend classes. I study. I do my work. I eat lunch. Now afternoon and evening. I come back home. I take rest. I play or watch TV. I spend time with my family. Now night routine. I eat dinner. I study at night. I use my phone. I go to bed. I sleep. Now let's combine these into a simple flow. Repeat after me. I wake up in the morning. I brush my teeth and get ready. I eat breakfast and go to school. I study and attend classes. I come back home and take rest. I spend time with my family. I eat dinner and go to bed. Now, let's make it a little more natural. I wake up at 7 a.m. I get ready and eat breakfast. I go to school every day. I study and complete my work. I come back home in the evening. I relax and watch TV. I go to bed at night. Now, let's do a quick speaking practice. Repeat after me. I wake up early. I go to school. I study every day. I come back home. I sleep at night. Now it is your turn. Speak about your daily routine. Use simple sentences. Say things like, I wake up at 6 a.m. I go to school. I study. I play. I sleep. Speak it out loud. This is how you will become fluent. This is day 8, and now you can talk about your daily life in English. In the next lesson, we're going to learn after-school routine in English and how to speak about your day in more detail. Make sure you come back for day 9, after-school routine in English. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and I will see you in the next video.